In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom navigation menu on Shopify. Having a clear, easy-to-use menu is one of the best ways to help your customers find what they're looking for. So let's walk through the full process together from inside your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify account and head to your dashboard. This is your main control center, where you manage everything from products to settings. On the left-hand side, look for the option called Content and click on it. Inside the content area, you'll see a section called Menus. Go ahead and click on Menus to open up your navigation settings. From here, we're going to work with the main menu, which is usually the primary navigation that appears at the top of your online store. Click on Main Menu to open it. You'll now see any existing links that are already part of your navigation. To add a new item, click on Add Menu Item. A new row will appear with an empty field called Label. In this label field, type the name you'd like to appear in your navigation. For example, t-shirts or whatever makes sense for your store. This is what your customers will see and click on. Next to the label, you'll see another empty field called Link. Click on that link field. Shopify will open a panel where you can choose where this menu item should take your customers. In this example, we'll link directly to a specific product. So choose the product option, then select the product you want people to land on when they click that menu item. Once you've picked the product, it will automatically fill in the link. You can repeat this process to add more items. Click Add Menu Item again, type in another label, then click in the link field. You can link to another individual product, or if you prefer, choose Collections instead and select a specific collection, such as all t-shirts, all hoodies, or a seasonal collection. This is a great way to keep your navigation clean while still giving customers quick access to groups of products. After you've added your new items, click Save so you don't lose your work. Now you can rearrange everything. Click and hold the 6-dot icon next to any menu item, then drag it up or down to change the order. If you drag an item slightly to the right under another one, Shopify will nest it and create a drop-down menu. This is perfect for organizing categories and subcategories. When you're happy with the structure and the order of your links, click Save one more time. Your custom navigation menu is now live and ready for your customers to use.